Hey guys, today we're unboxing the ZGJIJIA motorcycle cover. Alright, so right off the bat here, it's a lightweight cover, pretty compact, fits in this nice carrying case, so if you want to store it when you're not using it, they do have this case with a drawstring on it that you can keep it in here. So they sell these in many different sizes. You can measure the length of your bike and then order it accordingly to get one that fits best. But there's many different sizes. If you have a large motorcycle, like a big cruiser style, or like a small scooter, they have different sizes that will work for any of these. But first impressions here, this is a really nice, smooth fabric. I can see on the inside here, it has this reflective lining in it, which is good for reflecting UV rays, keeping your paint fresh and from fading from the sun. And it's a really smooth material, but it is also feels like a very durable material. So it's 2 layers, and stitching looks like good quality on it. Seen some eye hooks here so you can tie it down extra good, and some straps here. But why don't we get this thing installed on a motorcycle and see how well it fits and get our impressions after that. So it has a clip here on the front that'll hook around your tire. You're going to want to undo those clips first. And you can actually clip that through your wheel or under your wheel to secure it so the wind can't blow the cover off. Alright, so it's super easy to install. Goes right over. The clips are built in, so you can just clip it to secure it. But they do add these extra eyelets here if you want to run a rope through it or something to tie it extra tight for over a longer period of time, or if you have bad weather coming up, you can do that. But this will stay secure here with just the clips that they provide that are built in. One thing I really like about this is the reflective strips. If you're parking your motorcycle out on the street, it's really nice to have something like that, because with a black cover, can kind of blend in, and you don't want a car backing into it in the night because they can't see it. So the reflective strips make it a lot more visible. So that's really nice. And this fabric, I'm really impressed with. It's really lightweight, but it's really smooth. So it's important that if the wind is blowing this around, that it's not scuffing up the paint of your motorcycle. So it's really nice to have smooth fabric, but it's also very durable fabric. You can tell by feeling it that it's a very tough fabric. You don't need to worry about it ripping or getting holes in it. But yeah, very simple motorcycle cover that works really well. I'm really happy with this. And from a price standpoint, it's way more economical than some of the more popular brands on Amazon right now. If you look at this and compare it, it's easier to see which is a better deal and what's going to work for you. But I'm super happy with this. If you have a bigger motorcycle or a smaller one, you can order one that fits accordingly. A lot of options there. This is a great motorcycle cover, and they send that case along, so when you're ready, you can just unclip it. Take the cover right off. Put it back in your case, and then go off and ride. So great option if you don't have a garage or you want to store your bike outside. It's going to protect it really well from the weather. Protects it from the sun, from the rain. This is waterproof. And you can see here, good quality stitching. But yeah, high quality motorcycle cover right here. Really nice product. So if you need something to cover your bike from the weather, definitely make sure you check this out.